I'm in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and at the back you can see the Twin Tower, and more important is not the Twin Tower, is what knowledge you will get from Ms. Jane. And this is a very burning topic. Is cancer preventable? And Ms. Jane had been associated with oncology in UK for a long time, and now since almost 18 years she's helping people around the world. So I'll be asking a very important question. Ms. Jane, you have been involved with the cancer
Management.
patient
Yes.
for how many years?
18 years with
the company?
with Superfood Management.
Okay.
Yes. So before that, in the 1970s, I was on the nursing side of oncology. That was in the 1970s.
So where were you working?
I was in UK, so
Okay.
therefore I understand the medical science, how they manage cancer, and also I have been practiced as a gynotherapist and using superfood products to reverse the body environment, so I can see both sides of the story.
So when you say as a gynotherapist, can you explain, because most of our audience was watching in simple words, what is gynotherapy and you are a gynotherapist.
Yes.
So what is your role in cancer prevention?
Okay, so before I mention about gynotherapy, I would like to give you the information why people get cancer. That's the most important part. Okay, so actually cancer is caused by toxins, and where the toxins come from? Majority it come from the food, and 80% of cancer people because of the poor eating habits. And do you know, we have trillion cells in the body, but people today, they eat what they like to eat. So therefore, you are what you are. When you like to eat a lot of animal proteins, processed food, and your lack of green food, lack of water, and your lack of exercise, and your body is under stress, and that can affect the whole body environment.
Okay.
Okay, so I will mention which parts of your body is affected when you are having a poor lifestyle. Okay, so number one is you are creating a acidic body environment.
Okay.
Okay, and that affect your blood circulation. Not only your big blood vessels, you also affect your minute blood vessels, and that will affect your cells, tissue, organ, and system. Especially, what are your detox system? Your liver, your kidneys, and your gastrointestinal regions, your lungs, and your skin. And these are the area where we have a lot of minute blood vessels. Okay. So we overlook that, oh, it's okay, I eat what I like to eat, your body is naturally will do the detox. That is not right, because you're torturing your cells, tissue, body, and system on a daily basis. So the time will come, your system, your organs is unable to do the optimum detox for you. So you're accumulating the toxins in your body, and that destroys your cells, your tissues. And when your cell is being destroyed, it has to be repaired immediately.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will go into disease.
Okay.
So, and you are lack of nutrients for repairs.
Okay.
That's one of the reasons why you are destroying your cells, tissue, organ, and system. Okay, and followed by your immune system. Where are your immune organs? Your bone marrow. Okay. Your bone marrow, you need a lot of microcirculation that delivers nutrients to the organ and detox. But if you are not getting a good supply of blood circulations, your bone marrow and your immune organ will deteriorate. So acidic body causes poor circulation, poor immune system, and you will be lack of oxygen in the body. Okay. Because your body is too acidic, your blood is too chalky. Okay, and when you lack of oxygen, so you are encouraging some abnormal cells in the body, especially cancer cells, likes to stay in the body which is acidic, and your body is lack of oxygen. Okay.
I remember, Ms. Jane, there was a Dr. Otto Warburg who got
From Germany.
Nobel
Prize.
Because of this research that the body deprived of oxygen and having acidic tissue is the main cause of cancer.
Yes.
So, and your talk is also around the same. So, how do we do the prevention
Yes.
in the Gano?
So, in our daily life, we should be eating about 50 to 60% of our food come from plant-based. Plant-based varieties. So you have to diversify your food. You do not be. You have to choose a lot, very different kinds of various kinds of plant food. So you don't stick to one kind of food all the time.
Okay.
If you like tomato, you eat tomato every day. So
Right.
you'll be lack of micronutrients.
Right.
Okay. So it should be diversify your varieties of plant-based food. Okay. Number 2, and cut down your animal protein to minimum.
So when you say animal protein, are you talking about chicken,
Yes,
beef,
yes.
mutton, all that?
Yes, you can eat, but at small size. Okay, and then of course your carbohydrate parts, it has to be wholesome, like potatoes. Yeah, potato, any root, plant-based food. It contains a lot of carbohydrates. Okay,
But no pasta and noodles and
personally, I don't encourage you to eat a lot of pasta, noodles, etc., because they contains a lot of wheat flour, which you can cause a lot of inflammation.
What about rice?
Rice is whole grain. Whole grain is better to take whole grain rice, okay? But white rice, white bread, they are more towards acidic. So,
Okay.
so whatever you put on your plate, you have to analyze. So evaluate which one is alkaline and which one is acidic. For example, if you eat one mouthful of meat, you need 3 parts of vegetables, 3 mouthful of vegetables to neutralize your meat.
So basically, you are saying that
You do the balancing.
the balancing. What about the exercise? I mean, now there are so many gyms and spas and so many yoga centers
Yes,
all
yes.
around, which has come up in the last, just I would say, 10, 15 years.
Yes, yes, of course. Exercise is very important, whatever exercise you're doing, okay? So exercise, number 1, it will improve your blood circulation, improve your lymphatic system. And you know, circulation and lymphatic system, they are very important because they delivers all the nutrients to
Right.
every part of your cells and tissues.
Okay.
And also it carries your immune cells.
Okay, right.
So it will protect every part of your body from either virus, bacteria, and even cancerous cells. So we need to make sure that you have a patent blood circulation, patent lymphatic system, so that your nutrients can be reached to every part of the body, your immune cell can be reached to every part of the body, and your oxygen, especially, it can be reached to every part of the body. Most importantly, the toxins, it should be reversed out. It should be able to
coming out of the
coming
body.
Yes. So when you exercise, you sweat. So you are eliminating more toxins through your sweat. Of course, what other system is eliminating your toxins? Your urine. Okay, so we must drink enough water. But today, people are not drinking enough water. You should be drinking 2.5 liters. But today, people are replacing their water with tea, coffee, and even carbonated drinks.
drinks,
You cannot replace. You need to drink your 2.5 liter is pure, clean water.
I would like to add over here, we have normal water, which is bottled water or whatever. They are acidic in nature.
Yes.
Why not go for alkaline water?
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
we have so many systems where
Yes.
you get alkaline water,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So now what you mentioned is for the people who are already healthy and how they can avoid cancer
Yes.
in the long run.
In the long run.
You know, by detoxification,
Yes,
balancing the body
Yes.
as well as eating lifestyle
Correct.
and exercise.
Yes.
What about if a person is having cancer and the person is going through chemotherapy?
Yes.
Like I've seen, there are a lot of ladies whose breast cancer has increased
Yes.
compared to 30 years back. Now I see, the percentage has increased.
Yes.
So what type of a message you like to give to
Okay.
the women who are having, say, breast cancer?
Okay, so now if you talk about breast cancer, not only about the food they eat, but it's stress.
Stress.
Yeah, because breast cancer is definitely related to stress. When they are having stress, especially women, you get angry all the time. You have a lot of bitterness inside. That not only upset your whole body holistically, your circulation, your immune system, your pH in the body, and a lot of toxins accumulated in the body because your micro circulation was shut down. So your nutrients, your oxygen is unable to reach the targeted cells, and also you are unable to detox. Worst of all, when you have stress, it upsets our endocrine system, especially women. It upsets their progesterone, it upsets your estrogen. So when we manage cancer, it has to be physical and emotional well-being. So of course, when you have problem, you have to go through chemotherapy, even surgery. Okay, we need to support our patients. When they go through the chemotherapy, you have to give the right nutrient to ensure that patient is not being destroyed too much from the chemotherapy. Chemotherapy destroys a lot of things. It destroys cancer, the fast-growing cells, especially our gastrointestinal region. The chemo will destroy all the mucosa and a lot of cells in the stomach linings. That's why they are having poor absorption of nutrient. And the chemotherapy also destroys the blood circulation, especially the micro blood circulations. So therefore, especially we are talking about the importance of blood circulations. When you have poor circulation to the bone marrow, can you imagine? Your bone marrow can produce good blood cells, good white blood cells, good platelets, and good immune cells. You can't. So you need something to support them during the chemotherapy.
So you got an experience of more than 30 years in oncology field, where you were working in hospital, and now since 18 years you are managing through the natural supplements.
Yes.
So in this last 18 years, you must have seen a lot of cancer patients coming, especially women with breast cancer.
Yes.
What is the result like with your Ganoderma or Ganotherapy?
Okay. Now, especially ladies with breast cancer, after they went through their medical treatment, medical treatment meaning they had a surgery or chemotherapy or radiotherapy, and maybe they forget about how they can manage their health in the future.
Okay.
I'm very farsighted. After your medical treatment, I'm very farsighted. We have to do prevention of relapse. And you need to manage. You have to nurture your body on a daily basis, not as whatever we say. You survive 5 years, then you are free from cancer. No, we have to nurture your body to prolong your health status in long term. So this is prevention of relapse. And what we can do with Ganotherapy? Ganotherapy contains a range of superfood to reverse your body, to repair your body, and to nourish your body, especially with the Ganoderma. Ganoderma is one of the most alkaline food on earth. Okay? Improve your circulation. Okay? And also you balance the body. Okay? But we also need enzymes.
Okay.
Enzyme is life for the cells. Without enzymes, whatever nutrient you take is unable to be utilized. So the importance of the enzymes is very important. And of course, we also need superfood like spirulina.
Okay.
Spirulina is very alkaline food. It's not only you want to replenish your calcium, your protein, etc., but you need something that is functional. Spirulina not only is a superfood, provide all the nutrients to the cellular function, but it is able to enhance your immune system.
So what about the enzymes? You're talking about spirulina, you're talking about Ganoderma.
Yes.
So enzyme, how do you basically provide enzyme?
I'm using this specific enzyme is pineapple enzymes, cordyceps, and also I use noni juice.
Noni juice.
Yes, they are very good combination because the enzymes is able to balance the pH, okay, and then of course repair cells.
So you have been talking about balancing, you're talking about pH. What about the oxygenation?
The oxygenate, that's why when we talk about reversing the body environment, we don't talk only about pH, circulation, immune system. We are giving the natural ozone therapy.
With what product you are giving it?
I'm giving these specific nutrient from mycelium. Mycelium, which is a young Gadodama.
Okay. So there are more oxygenation in that.
Yes.
What about, I heard that in the cordyceps also there's another mushroom
Yes.
which...
So there are other specific mushrooms like cordyceps and lion's mane, okay, and also poria. These are the kind of mushrooms it able to enhance your oxygenation, your immunity, okay. So we are eliminating the body environment for cancer.
Okay.
So what are the health pillars I'm giving you through gynotherapy? Balance the pH, improve your blood circulation, enhance your immunity, enhance your oxygenation. These are the physical part that I will provide for you, but there's something you can't see. This range of product is able to stable your emotion. You feel calm, you feel happy, you won't feel, agitated all the time because it improves your liver function.
Okay.
Yeah, and also
liver and emotion, they are
correct.
They are interconnected.
Yes.
Right?
So my joy for the last 18 years is able to help those people from no hope to great hope, and of course to give them good health and longevity. And we are going to carry this mission not only with me, so I'm going to team up with Mr. Ghani with your profession. We need more people.
Yeah.
We need more people to join the team because the joy of giving is our mission.
And thank you so much, Ms. Jane, to share your vast experience in oncology. So viewers, what you have heard is a vast experience that her mission of giving is there, and I fully agree the joy of living is in giving. So all those who are watching this, or even if it is in the news feed, I would like you to share this video to people who are suffering from cancer, who are very much because of their hereditary. I've seen some women, because of their mom or dad or somebody, they are more prone to getting cancer.
Yes.
So that's all from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, in a beautiful environment, just at the backdrop of Twin Tower. We are in the company of Ms. Jane, and if you have any question, you are most welcome to write to me in the private messenger or in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to take help of Ms. Jane.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Good health and happiness.
Good health and happiness. That's all.
Thank you.